I've spent the last couple of days cooking, decorating, and finally creating something I've been wanting to try. I love moments like this where I don't have to rush. I can just be home and let the day unfold. What I'm gonna do is just take it off. I think I got this from Dollar Tree. But if it's faux, you can pretty much take the ends off of the main line here. It's always fun decorating for the holidays. Whew. All right. Isn't that pretty? I wanted to step out of my comfort zone, so I decided to make some warm and super easy chicken noodle soup. It was so good. Let's drop that in. I'm gonna try just a little bit. That's good. I didn't go into this with a plan. I just wanted to try something and see where it landed. Sometimes creating without expectation brings the best results. This piece turned out so much better than I imagined, so I was thinking maybe I should do a step-by-step guide for anybody who wants to make one. Thanks for spending the day with me. Let me know what part you enjoyed the most.